Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. All right, let's watch this. Playing cards and beer. Apart for suspicion, it seemed an eviction. Notice from long ago, held steadfast on the entrance to the front porch. This chimney shouldn't be here. It's too late for fire. This chimney shouldn't be here. There's no use for rain. The clouds no longer there. The rain outside has kept us cold and fell alone inside this place. We felt like fire. We wanted warmth to keep us dry.